Alright, we're out in the country. I mean way out in the country, out in the middle of nowhere. Someone had us come out to clean this little rental house. It's just a couple of carpeted rooms. And she said the other carpet cleaners she called all told her to replace the carpets. They were not cleanable. So that would be one of our 5 truck mount competitors that we have here in town. But she's wanting to rent this place back out. You can see it's not a very big place. It's a little square shaped house. Not much to it. And it's about 110 degrees outside. And we just now turned the little window air conditioner on, so we're going to see if the electrical...
We'll be out of here before it gets cold.
Yeah, the electrical system is going to be the interesting factor out here, because we are out there. I think out in this area of the state, they probably turn the electric off at 5 o'clock in the evenings every night and turn it back on the next morning at 9. So,
but it should work.
Just say, Jay, plug in a different room from that air conditioner.
I'm trying to plug into the restroom if I can find it.
Yeah.
I've not seen it yet. Oh,
it's the only one. It's the only one here. Well, let's see. Looks like there's some new construction going up. Oh, somebody's adding on a room.
There is no plug-ins in the restroom.
Oh, that makes sense. This is an old house. This is from the 40s, maybe even older.
It's old.
Bonnie and Clyde slept here.
Perhaps.
Yeah. All right, I'll show you. That's a pass-through. Apparently, it goes nowhere. There's a bathroom on the other side of the wall. There's the front door. I don't know if I can emphasize how small of a place this really is, because it's like a backyard shed. But hey, people out here rent these things out in the country. There's our little car. Yeah, it took a lot longer to drive out here than it's going to take to do the job. Anyway, we're getting ready to start pre-spraying, and we're going to start cleaning. So stay tuned. All right, we're going to start up. This is like a commercial grade carpet. We're not going to use a glad pad on this because you don't use thin pads on these thin carpets. You can see we got a reaction here. Foamy spot. The foamy spot must be a pet mess, most likely. Or someone's built something organic.
Okay, you want to come close to the machine so they can see the darkness. You got to shadow us and move around.
All right, this is the carpet that the other carpet cleaners told her you can't clean it. You have to replace it.
They said it's uncleanable.
Yeah, and it's probably not going to look perfect, and it's an old carpet.
It's looking perfect so far, I'll give it that.
But it's looking decent. I'm not going to say it's going to look brand new, but it's instead of replacing the carpet, that's kind of expensive. Even if you can make it a little bit better.
It's starting to look brand new.
Yeah, make it a little bit better. They want to rent this house back out to somebody, and I doubt anybody coming out here to rent a little house like this is going to be really particular about the carpets, you know.
Nope.
They're like, oh, if you don't put new carpets in, I won't rent it. That's not going to be a big deal.
I heard something in the back of the house. I hope a lot of animals are coming in.
Well, this is big time rattlesnake country, and this house looks like the kind that if you open up underneath the kitchen sink, you might find one.
If I see a rattlesnake, I'll take the bonnet off the pad driver and put the pad driver right on top of it and turn the machine on.
Yeah.
That'll be the end of his thing.
Just pull the Oreck up in the air and beat him over the head a few times with it.
Yeah.
Be like that lady on BC. Used to beat that snake with a stick all the time. All right, watch out. If you hit that right, you could short out that outlet.
I'm not going to get close to it.
Don't even touch it.
Come in here closer a little bit.
Yeah.
And get ready, because I'm getting ready to come into the big spot. See that right there?
Yeah, that little dark stain.
Yeah. This is the spot that made carpet cleaners say you need to replace the carpet. But looky there, it's all out. Shame on you people.
She called me a year ago because I had her all written down. I had her on Google Maps. I had her saved with all of her stuff. She called me about a year ago to get an estimate over the phone to clean this, and when I told her what it was going to cost, she actually asked me, is there any way I could do it myself to save money?
You said go run a rock off her.
Well, I told her you can go rent a machine and all this, but then she told me when she finally calls a year later, because some other people finally moved out, and she said that she actually never did try to clean it herself. She just let another group of people live here on it. So
she let her just move in.
Yeah, this is like oil field country. And you get people that are wanting a place and they're only going to stay for 2 or 3 months. and they don't care. They don't care if it's clean or not.
There are people who they're going to drink. They're going to do meth.
Well,
They're
yeah.
going to smoke weed. They're going to bring women over.
I mean, they just want a place to put their stuff at night.
You don't clean up for people like that.
Well, they're only going to be here like, you know, maybe on the occasion they want to sleep, they'll come home. The rest of the time they're out partying.
Get busted by the police. That's all I'm going to be out here.
Well, but the workers though, I mean, they're just coming through and they don't care about having a super nice place. They want cheap.
All the stains are coming out, all of them. This stuff that these truck route people said you can't get out. What's the matter with these guys?
They just didn't want to come all the way out here.
They came out here and saw it. That's all.
Yeah, but I mean, they didn't want to come. They didn't want to come back. They didn't want to come back because when people call and want you to look at a place and they're like, okay, well, I'm getting some other estimates, and it's like, I'm not coming back.
Here's a live boss.
Oh yeah, kill that thing.
I didn't come out here to get stung by a wasp.
Well, if you don't like creatures and creepy crawly things, don't move out in the country.
I don't like them.
I guarantee you.
I don't like being in the country.
I guarantee you, there's mice, and where there's mice, there's snakes.
I'll tell you what, we live in Texas, but we are not country people.
No, we've always lived in the city.
I like New York City. Sidewalk, no trees, no grass. I don't like nature.
Oh yeah, I'm a city boy. I don't go camping. I don't do none of that.
I don't even go deer hunting. We live out here in Texas, where there's the biggest deer population in the world. No, we're straight city people, man.
Not that there's anything wrong with that. It's just saying we just aren't into that kind of thing.
It ain't for
The
us.
country just ain't my vibe.
No way. Snakes and bugs and creatures.
Well, there's definitely mountain lions out here.
Oh yeah.
And you go on your porch at night to check the stars, you get got. You get snatched up by something. Anybody ever tells you the mountain lions won't mess with you, they'll leave you alone, don't ever listen to somebody who talks like
They're
that.
dangerous.
That's the same people that tell you it's okay to go swimming with white sharks because we're not their prey.
Next thing you hear, they're getting bit.
Yeah. It's like, well, they may decide to take a chunk out of you to see, make sure.
All right, man. I think this room is finito.
I'm gonna say.
Tell you the truth, it looks pretty good.
And it's gonna dry fast. Oh, wait. Right.
I know, I see it.
Right there. Alright, let me go show you. Well, the cord's all over the place. But this room, there's a spot there.
I'm going to stretch the cord in here.
Okay. It's not too bad.
We're going to be out of here in 15 minutes.
I'm going to pause. I'm going to take a pause for the calls, and we'll be right back.
My time in the country's in the record room.
Alright, we flipped the pad over real quick.
Yeah, you bet we did.
And we pre-sprayed, and we're ready to rumble.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh. The outlet died, huh?
I don't know.
Alright, I'm going to pause till we find an outlet that works.
Oh.
Alright, we have to be careful. That's a very sensitive plug-in, and that seems to be the only one that works. So,
If the plug even moves a little bit...
if you even touch that cord, it's going to unplug itself.
Yeah.
One thing when you're working in a place that has really,
Right here.
really loose electrical outlets and stuff, you can notice your plug gets overheated. So it's always best to find a really good plug-in if you can.
If your cord ever starts like curling up like a pigtail, and you start noticing that, you're plugging in the weak electrical.
It's possible.
Oh yeah.
Or you're wrapping your cord wrong.
No, you're plugging in the weak electric. If your cord ever starts curling around like a pigtail, you've been working with bad electrical for lots of cord.
Yeah.
Whether you know it or not.
The best way to wind your cords up is from the machine out to the end of the plug. My brother likes to wind it the opposite way. If you wind it from the plug towards the machine as you go, you'll end up having a coil that you can't get out. But let's see if he unplugs himself here. Everybody watch for the nice sparks.
I'm not making a mistake. Not today.
I hope we don't want to burn this place down.
There's actually, I don't want to hurt my machine. It's more valuable than the whole house. But
you know what? I'd pause and move the cord completely over so you don't bump into.
I won't have an issue. Watch.
Well, if anything goes wrong, I'll turn the camera back on after the fire truck leaves. Stop.
Something almost went wrong.
Yeah, I'm gonna pause. He's gonna have to move all his cords.
No. I just have to.
We're back. We don't usually show the disasters that happen.
Well, nothing happened. Just the pad came off, the machine's off. So So if you do stairs with this, be prepared for the pad to come off when you're lifting from stair to stair.
No, I'm gonna be honest. Ironically, everybody says the Oreck is what they use for cleaning stairs. We don't use the Oreck on stairs because we think we hate using it on
Yeah,
stairs.
we use a hand polisher.
We just use the hand polishers on stairs because you could do the whole stair. You could do the riser and the tread. And I don't know why people like to use Orecks on stairs so much because I think they're just super awkward on stairs.
They're not a good stair tool.
No, and you don't have to worry about if it's going to hold onto your pads and stuff like that if you're not doing stairs. So, all right, he's going to go over some of that a
Let's see
little
if
bit.
there's anything else.
I think we may be done here.
I think we are. Yeah, sometimes if you have a dirty area, you don't hurt to hit it twice just to make sure.
You can come back.
Yeah, it don't hurt now, as long as you got some free spray down.
Now we could peroxide this old carpet before we leave and just let it air dry.
We won't. But
We're not going to, but we could.
We don't care that much.
Yeah, they're not really picky. They just want to make it clean enough they can move someone in, and you know,
When they say someone's moving in, I'm feeling they mean tonight.
probably. Okay, unfortunately, we got to turn that air conditioner off now and go back out in the heat. Hope you guys enjoyed that.
It's worth it to leave. It's worth
It wasn't
to
as
leave.
fun. It wasn't nearly as fun as it looked, and it is hot in here.
When they
so-
called us on the phone, the way we priced it, they said there was a room that was like 15 by 20, and then another room that was a big size bedroom, and it's not like that at all. I mean, we priced it for being a lot bigger space than this, plus for the drop. We priced it for a 20-minute drop one way and 20 minutes the other.
Yeah, and it turned out more like a half hour, but that's
Well, no,
okay.
it's no big deal, but we made up, we overcharged on the carpet, so
Yeah,
who's complaining?
it's cool.
It is.
I'm gonna leave this open. Yeah, they had their back window open so the place won't get too hot. All right, we're gonna put everything back like it was pretty much, and we're gonna get out of here. So hope you guys enjoyed that. Until next time, thanks for watching.